Wrinkles on hair system? I think not. Hey, it's Cindy, your hair care specialist at Super Hairpieces. You're likely familiar with the frustrations of wrinkles developing over time. While these wrinkles might not take away from the natural appearance of your hair system, they can certainly impact its longevity and comfort. A wrinkled base doesn't sit evenly on your scalp, leading to discomfort and the formation of air bubbles that are challenging to smooth out. Today, we're addressing this issue head-on by examining 6 common reasons for wrinkles in hair systems and providing practical solutions to not only fix them, but also prevent their reoccurrence. Firstly, let's talk about the impact of hot water during cleaning. Using hot water, particularly with thin polyskin systems, can stretch the base, leading to wrinkles. The solution? Opt for cool or lukewarm water during maintenance and showers to preserve the integrity of your hair system. Next, thick tape for attachment can cause wrinkles, especially with thicker bases. Instead of double taping, consider using a single layer of tape and a thin layer of glue for a smoother attachment. Incorrect head contours can also contribute to wrinkles by causing the base to sit improperly on the scalp. Ensure you know your contour shape and seek professional guidance if needed to avoid this issue. Stretching the base, whether intentional or not, can lead to serious wrinkles over time, particularly with lace-based systems. Always know your exact measurements and opt for a slightly larger hair system if needed, rather than stretching one that's too small. Avoid scratching your hair system while it's attached, as this can cause dents, folds, and wrinkles in the base material. Address any underlying reasons for itching, such as a lack of maintenance or skin conditions, to prevent scratching. And lastly, purchasing defective hair systems can result in ill-fitting units that cause wrinkles. Stick to reputable suppliers like Super Hairpieces to avoid this issue. If you're already dealing with wrinkles, fear not. You can use just right positioning spray or adhesive solvent to help smooth out the wrinkles without removing the system completely. However, severe cases where wrinkles are unavoidable may require a new hair system. By understanding the causes of wrinkles and implementing these solutions, you can enjoy a smoother, more comfortable experience with your hair system. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.